Good morning, my little ones. Welcome back. I hope you all are fine just as I am. I am Sonali ma'am, and yesterday we learnt about uses of animals and care of animals. So I hope you all have done your worksheet correctly. Today we are going to do a quick recap of uses and care of animals. Along with that, I am going to share some fun facts for you. So what are fun facts, children? Fact is a piece of information about something or someone that is true. After the recap and sharing some fun facts with you, we are going to do a small activity and then we are going to solve both the worksheets. So let's start.
This is a hen. It is a farm animal and gives us eggs and meat. Fun fact: do you know a hen can lay more than 300 eggs per year? This is a cow. It is a farm animal and cow gives us milk which is rich in calcium, and we can make different things out of milk like paneer, cheese, curd, butter and ghee. Fun fact: cow's stomach have four chambers which help break down what they eat. A cow chews its food for up to 8 hours a day. This is a sheep, which is also a farm animal. Sheep gives us wool, which provides us with warm clothing like sweater, blankets, and other warm clothes to protect us from cold. A fun fact: sheep are extremely intelligent animals capable of problem solving, and they get very scared of sudden loud noises. This is a bee. A honey bee collects honey in their hives and gives us honey, which has many health benefits and are very sweet in taste. A fun fact about bees: honeybee is the only insect that produces food eaten by humans. Do you know bees have been here on earth for about 30 million years? Oh, wow! This is a donkey, which is a farm animal that people use for transportation, wherein they carry load from one place to another. They are also used in pulling a carriage. It is a very strong animal. Fun fact about donkeys. Do you know, children? Donkeys are very strong and intelligent and surprisingly very affectionate, and they can live for more than 50 years. This is a fish. They give us meat which is high in protein, vitamins, and minerals. Fun fact about fish: fish have a good sense of taste, sight, and touch. Do you know there are over 30,000 known species of fishes? This is a goat, which is also a farm animal. Goat gives us milk and meat. Fun fact about goats: goats are very curious animals and are known for eating everything like cardboard, shoes, hat, and even clothes. This is a dog. It is a pet animal. They are compassionate, loving animals. They help us by guarding our homes. There are also special service dogs which help people who are differently abled, such as blind people or people who need help when they are in the wheelchair. A fun fact about dogs: a dog's sense of smell is 10,000 times stronger than humans, and they sweat through their paws. Yes, this is a bull, and it is a farm animal. They help farmers in plowing their fields. Bulls are much stronger than cows. Fun fact about bull: do you know, children? Bulls, along with the other cattle, are colorblind to red. It is the Cape's movement which gets them irritated and they run at it. Aren't these fun facts good to know? Something that we did not know about these animals. I'm glad you all enjoyed it. So children, now we are going to talk about care of animals. और बच्चों, यहाँ मैं आपके लिए एक सरप्राइज लेके आई हूँ. मेरे फ्रेंड के पास एक बहुत क्यूट सा डॉग है जिसका नाम है बम्बल बी. और मैंने मेरी फ्रेंड को कहा मुझे आपके घर आना है आपके डॉग के साथ खेलने के लिए. तो उसने बोला ठीक है, आ जाओ. So children, as you know, all dogs don't look the same and they are of different breeds. मेरे फ्रेंड के डॉग का ब्रीड है बीगल और जैसे मैंने आपको बताया उसका नाम है बम्बल बी. तो चलो बच्चों, आप देखो मैंने बम्बल बी के साथ कैसे वक्त बिताया और मैंने उसका ध्यान कैसे रखा. So children, in this first video, I am giving him food. Can you see what he is eating? Yes, he is eating mamra. उसे mamra बहुत पसंद है. See how he is eating and chewing his food? Yes. Then here I am playing with him. देखो उसको कितनी खुशी हो रही है. खुशी से वो उछल रहा है. He is looking so happy. See the way he is wagging his tail. Then here, after all the playing, it was time to give him a bath. He was enjoying the cool water being poured on him. देखो डॉग कैसे आराम से खड़ा है. हाँ बच्चों. Then after his nice bath, he was all fresh and clean. So now I am combing the hair on his body. Some animals have long hair, but Bumblebee has beautiful, thick, short hair and he loves to get his hair combed. कितना fresh लग रहा है ना बच्चों? Here he is such a sweet dog and he loves to be petted. So children, here I'm petting him under his chin, on his head, behind his ears and he looks so cute. इतना प्यारा सा डॉग है और जब हम उससे प्यार करते हैं तो उसे बहुत अच्छा लगता है. Then it was time for his walk and he was so happy to go out that he was walking so fast with his tail wagging happily. After all the fun and activities we had, Bumblebee was tired and he wanted to rest. So my friend helped me make his special bed and Bumblebee slept so peacefully. But remember children, we must take care of our animals and take them to the vet for regular checkups so that they remain healthy and free from diseases. सो चिल्ड्रेन, ये था मेरा एक छोटा सा एडवेंचर जो मैंने मेरी फ्रेंड के साथ पूरा दिन बिताया उसके पेट एनिमल के साथ और हम लोग ने देखा कैसे हम लोग एनिमल्स की देखभाल कर सकते हैं. सो चिल्ड्रेन, यू ऑल शुड ऑल्सो टेक केयर ऑफ एनिमल्स द सेम वे.
Okay children, so in this activity I've made a heading of animals here and product that we get from them. Here I have a whole line of the products that we get from animals and on this side I have all the pictures of animals. Okay, so let's join them with their respective animals. So the first picture we have is of a hen. Hen helps us in, yes, hen gives us eggs. So we will place it here. Next we have is a goat. Goat gives us meat. Yes, that's correct. Very good. Then we have a dog. Dog helps us. Yes, dog helps us in our homes by guarding our homes. Then we have cow. Cow gives us milk. Very good children. Then we have here is sheep. Sheep helps us. Yes, sheep gives us wool where we can make woolen clothes to keep us warm during winters. Then we have a bee. Bee gives us sweet, sweet honey. That's right. Then we have a bull. Bull helps us in plowing our fields. Yes, that's right. And then we have fish. Fish also gives us meat. Yes, children. So, this is the activity for today. I hope you all have understood and you too can do the same at home as well.
Okay, children, let's solve the first worksheet. Here we had to draw a line to match the picture of each animal to the product we get from it. So the first picture is of a hen. Hen gives us egg. So we draw a line from the hen to the egg. Next is cow. Cow gives us milk. Next is bee. Bee gives us honey. Then we have goat. Goat gives us meat. And then we have sheep. Sheep gives us wool. So children, this is the solution of the first worksheet. I hope you all have done it correctly. So children, this is the second worksheet. Here we had to tick the pictures and show that the child is taking care of animals. So in the first picture, the child is brushing the dog's hair, which is the correct thing to do. So we will put a tick mark. In the second picture, the child is playing with the dog, which is also a good thing to do. So we put a tick here. In the third picture, the child is feeding the dog, which is a very good thing to do. In the fourth picture, the child is taking the dog for a walk. So we put a tick mark because here also he is taking care of the animal. In the last picture, the child is going to hit the dog. So that is not a good thing to do. So we will not put a tick mark here. So children, this is the solution of your second worksheet and I hope you all have done it correctly.
So, children, I hope you enjoyed today's session as much as I did and you learned something more about animals. So, till we meet again, take care of yourself. Bye bye.